Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks 333. I'm here with Ted and Leanne, ready to do a reading for you, or whatever message the tree has, Leanne has for you. So give me one moment and I'll get the message. Hello. Thank you again for doing this. What's your message? The totality of a human is his or her essence. Your essence is made up of all that is, all that exists. You are everything, and everything is you. When you connect with this, you will connect with the love that is available to you, the love that is unconditional, the creation that has no barriers. Your dreams are made up of this love. Your dreams are made up of the creation of all that is. All that exists is available to you. All that you desire and dream is available to you. The connection to it, however, is a must. For it to show up in your reality, in your experience, you must be it. Becoming it is created through your imagination, through your feeling. So imagine what is. Prepare for what is. Become it. Connect with it as often as you'd like. This connection will take hold of you, little by little, until it has no other choice but to become one with your consciousness. In a way that brings it to the forefront of your consciousness. It is here where you experience it within your reality. So believe it, know it, and become it. Most of all, live it. Is that it? Well, thank you, Leanne. Okay. Well, there you have it, Sagittarius. Make those dreams come true. because they're just within you. All right, so I hope you guys, sorry, I'm being distracted here by something. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please drop a like below, share and subscribe, comment, let me know if this resonates. And if you'd like tarot card readings, I have another channel, your Sacred Scribe Tarot. Head over there and see if you like it. I do daily readings for the signs and also offer private readings in the link in the Etsy shop below in the description box. You all have a great day. And as always, stay connected with your heart and to love. Namaste.